but none of those trades were something that I normally trade. So I wasn't about to throw the dice on the board and gamble, and that's how you lose money long term, and that's how you quit trading, and that's not what I want to do. I want to get good at this. So when I got to the computer, it was somewhere around here. So today the markets were they're quite flat, but I did see a break of major structure to the downside. That was the only trade I took today. Relative volume for most of the market was under 1. Checking the scanners for anything with major movement, and honestly there was like nothing today. So I don't know why the volume is so cut back. Not too sure. I'm not a market wizard, but one trade went well today, and I think we were up 0.37 or 36. Let's do that again next week. When I got to the computer, it was somewhere around here, and I was being patient. I was waiting for a break below VWAP with some volume. We pushed up, hit the downtrend, and the 50-day moving average broke below the 9, broke below the volume weighted average price, and I did not see enough volume for this to break below where I was confident that it would continue to do so. It pushed up a little bit, rejected off VWAP, and then when I saw this candle, you can see how there's a lot of volume on this one candle, and that was relatively quick. So when we pushed below our recent low, I entered a position with a take profit of this line here. So I exited the position there. That was the only trade I took today, and that was a 0.36% trade. Very good trade. I'll show you what happened after. We did end up going to full TP, and then we had a sharp correction and a break of the downtrend. This was TP2 and this was TP1. So I could have waited out for TP1 to be triggered, but I wouldn't have been able to get TP2, which was a 1 hour support zone. So I did cut myself a little short here, but my stop loss was going to be a break above VWAP in the 9 EMA. So I had quite a lot of room before that was going to happen. I could have waited for full TP. So I will continue to work on that, but sometimes I'm not going to be upset with this trade. Thank you, and hope you guys have a good weekend. See you on Monday.